This brand is from Nordyne, which is a subsidiary of Nortech Global HVAC. The units are available through their dealer network in the USA and Canada but are made in Mexico. The brand features aluminized steel primary heat exchangers which resist corrosion, but they are less durable than brands that use stainless steel. The brand uses hot surface ignition, which is quieter and more reliable than brands that use spark ignition. Their smart light control learns the operating characteristics of the system and adjusts the igniter warm-up time to extend its life. The brand is backed by a good warranty that includes total furnace replacement if the heat exchanger fails within 10 years of system installation. The FG7SD model is a basic 95% AFUE efficient furnace with a fixed-speed blower motor, while the FG7TE is a premium two-stage furnace with a fixed-speed blower motor. The FG7TC is a premium two-stage gas furnace with a variable-speed blower motor for more quiet and efficient operation. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category.